Where are we going? Yara Valley.
Yara Valley.
Hello guys, my name is Saloni and that's my son and his name is
Kevin.
and that's my husband
Karan.
Karan. We are a family of 3 and we live in Melbourne, Australia. We'll be sharing a little bit of our life with you guys. I know I'm coming back after a long time on this channel, but it's just my son who really wanted to make some videos with me, so we decided, okay, why not? It's about time. Earlier I had to discontinue because he was really small and he really needed a lot of my attention and time, but now since he's grown big, we are back and we are here. We have a lunch booking in Yara Valley. मुझे अभी इस जगह का नाम ठीक से नहीं मालूम because we just saw it online. Boat Ridge something? I don't know. I'll just check and I'll tell you. Kevin, we've reached.
Okay. Hey, my snack I want to eat. Hey.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Chalo. Sit down. Do you want to keep that snack box inside, please?
No, I want to eat it when I go. That's my spaghetti.
Okay. Come.
And
Karan, what's the name of this place? I forgot. बोट और क्रीगो ये देखो इनको भी नहीं ठीक से पता है हमने रेस्टोरेंट में बुकिंग कर लिया बट वी डोंट नो द नेम प्रॉपर्ली ओके सो दैट्स द नेम ऑफ द प्लेस बोट ओ क्रेगो इट्स अ वाइनरी प्लस अ रेस्टोरेंट Okay, now you start. Okay, Kevin, do you want to tell something about yourself?
yes.
Okay. How old are you? आप कितने साल के हो?
5.
And are you gonna start your school soon?
Yes. She's just gonna drink it in a minute.
I'm having grapefruit and hubby is having soft blanc. Okay guys, हमारे pizzas आ गए हैं. So this is the garlic pizza and this is the zucchini, marinated zucchini pizza with some goat cheese on top and some pickled onions. Bon appetit! Are you loving your pizza? Then why are you not eating quickly? Guys, we don't give him screen time much, but जब हम restaurants में आते हैं, just to enjoy this peaceful lunch or dinner, we have to give it to him, क्योंकि उसको भी मालूम है and इसीलिए हमें वहाँ पर ये हमारे साथ थोड़ा सा हमें मैनिपुलेट कर लेता है और हम भी फिर दे ही देते हैं वरना सबके बीच पे बैठ के खाना हमारा मुश्किल कर देता है ये बच्चा. He's too smart for his age. I guess सारे बच्चे आजकल way too smart हो गए हैं. Is it wet? Is it wet? Okay. Do you want to go? No. Do you want to go पूरा उधर पूरा वहाँ तक जाना है आपको? जाओ रन करोगे? I can't run, baby. I'm not wearing shoes. Walk करके. हाँ. Okay. बेबी ये बहुत स्लांट है मम्मा तो गिर जाएगी. Okay. Now do you want to come back? वहाँ तक go then you go. बहुत फार चला गया है। ओह माय गॉड, ये रोड पे तो नहीं चला जाएगा वहां से? आई होप सो। Guys, see this cute little grapes. यही जब ripe होंगे इन्हीं से wine बनेगी। How cute! And see this, my little monkey. Now he's doing up and down, up and down. और अभी ये थक जाएगा और ये सो जाएगा। And this is the property where we came for our food and drinks. And a little bit about Yarra Valley. It's a valley where it's just a 1 hour away from Melbourne, up on the hills where all the most of the fine wineries are located, which people drink all across the globe. So एक winery हमारी बहुत ही पॉपुलर यारा वैली में है, and there's another one which is in South Australia. Oh guys, it's so hot.
वो देखो निकली वहाँ से। Roasted chicken.
Yes, Kavan is totally red. So one thing about Melbourne, guys, कि यहाँ के summers ऐसा नहीं होता कि आप सोचो कि हर टाइम समर ही समर रहेगा। यू नीड टू बी रेडी कि कुछ दिन बीच में आएंगे जहाँ विंटरी हो जाते हैं। एंड मेलबर्न तो स्पेशली फेमस है फॉर 4 सीजन इन अ डे, एंड विच कैन हैपन all 365 days. It can happen अगर होने पे आए।
Like sometimes the weather goes down.
Yeah.
And sometimes it goes up.
Right. And see, we all have our jackets ready as well because in the morning हमें थोड़ा सा ठंडा लग रहा था, so we got our jackets as well. कविन की तो मैं jeans and jumper भी लेकर आई हूँ just in case. But right now we are roasting because when you're inside the car and your car is just parked, it gets so heated up that
you get roasted.
Yeah.
And also, you never know. In Melbourne, the weather goes crazy. Sometimes hot.
What do you want to say about Melbourne weather?
Melbourne weather goes crazy. Like sometimes hot, sometimes cold. Like you need to bring all the stuff. Like a jumper or a shorts, half sleeves. Like the weather goes crazy, so you never know what the weather is going in Melbourne. Like crazy.
Perfect. Very good description. Okay. Yeah. That's true, guys. यहाँ आप अगर summers में भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया आ रहे हो, ये सोच के मत आना कि हमें सिर्फ समरी क्लोथ्स लाने हैं. Do bring your jumpers and jackets and everything. Just come prepared because यहाँ का weather आज 30 है, कल drop होके 20 हो जाएगा. In fact, it sometimes drop like सीधे 30 से 15, 16 भी हो जाता है. So it's that crazy, yes. Okay, now we are heading towards Yarra Valley का बहुत ही famous chocolate area, where you actually get to eat as well, and they make chocolates. They've got a mini chocolate factory as well as they've got ice creams there, and a cafe भी है जहाँ पे you get food and coffee and everything. But food तो हमने खा लिया है. Chocolates हम उतना खाते नहीं है, so we're not gonna buy chocolates and stuff, but we'll definitely show it to you. Yes.
But Papa promised that we are gonna buy we are gonna buy a
good healthy chocolate.
Not healthy chocolate, a good chocolate. Not
a good
like,
chocolate.
Not healthy. It's gonna have
हाँ,
some
chocolate तो
sugar.
chocolate ही होएगा ना. हाँ, right. Okay, we'll see. अगर हमें कोई अच्छा chocolate मिलेगा तो we might buy it because now this guy, he's got the taste of it. So now Kevin is 5 years old, और उससे पहले तक इसने ना ही चॉकलेट टेस्ट किया था ना ही आइसक्रीम खाया था. इनफैक्ट हमें इतना ऑड लगता था कि हम आइसक्रीम शॉप पे जाके हम अपने लिए आइसक्रीम खाते थे और हम लोग हमें देखते थे कि ये कैसे पेरेंट्स है कि ये आइसक्रीम खा रहे हैं और बच्चा कुछ नहीं खा रहा है, बिकॉज our kid did not wanted to taste ice creams.
But as soon as I started tasting those two things,
Yeah,
loved it.
now loved it. Of course, it is addictive. All kids love it. We love it as well, but we have to eat it in a controlled limit. Lucky that we got a spot here, which is just here is the entrance, like somewhere right there, that place.
You're stepping on my feet.
Okay, but otherwise, if I can show you this whole thing up till that end, wahan tak car parked hai. And one good thing about here is that log ब्लॉक नहीं कर देते, कार पार्क स्पेस दे के खड़े होते हैं, तो उस चक्कर में भी थोड़ी लिमिटेड ही पार्किंग होती है. इतना चिपका के नहीं लगाते जैसे इंडिया में लगा देते हैं कि कहीं पे भी जगह मिली घुसा दिया गाड़ी. दैट्स नॉट द केस हियर. And I can see a lot of mini buses have come because a lot of winery tours happen and they all stop here for the ice creams and the chocolate area. That's where our car is, and this is the entrance. And it's so crowded. Oh my god. Come. Do you want to see how they make chocolates? It's here. See? Can you?
This chocolate.
Oh yeah. What is it? Okay, see, can you see under the belt? Can you see there is a belt? The chocolates are going. Yeah. So they're dropping by themselves there, yeah?
Because that's the end.
What is it? Do you think you're gonna eat this? You want chocolate? Which one? Milk? Yeah, he'll have the milk. Give your hand. Oh, okay, that's a lot. Thank you. whisker as well along with it. And this is a full set. You can make your hot chocolate. यहाँ नहीं प्ले कर पाओगे. प्ले मैं बताऊँ प्ले करना. Okay, now this place has become so busy. Especially शायद आज इसलिए भी और ज़्यादा busy है because it's one of the last days of the holiday season. Otherwise it used to be busy but not as much as today. And it's hot, super hot. And ये जो time है 3 to 4 का, ये peak time होता है यहाँ पे sun का. Sun is sharpest at the moment. Yeah, otherwise this place is just gorgeous. You can just sit here, relax, just enjoy the views, have some ice cream or coffee. So there's a restaurant right at that end. Yeah, I'm going with the boys now. Here they are, playing some football. Okay, we have come to a park here in Yarra Valley because सारी wineries 5:30 बंद हो जाती हैं. There is still so good.
You got a goal!
You got a goal, Kevin. So we found this really cute park which has some swings and everything. But this guy wanted to place his ball. So we are here enjoying. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी ऐसी फैमिलीज आ रही हैं अपने किड्स के साथ जो प्ले करना चाहते हैं. And some people are also doing picnic here already. And yeah, there are quite a few. Okay guys, and that's it from us today. We had a pretty long...
No, Mama.
Huh?
Let's go home and sing.
No, we are saying bye here because now we are super tired. I think you are also tired and you're gonna sleep now soon. So we'll just say bye and thank you everyone. We'll make more such fun videos and we'll try to give you a bit of a feel of कि हमारे यहाँ मेलबर्न में कैसा कल्चर होता है, हम आउटिंग्स पे क्या क्या करते हैं, क्या कर सकते हैं. And I'm not sure कि मैं daily vlogs kind of बना पाऊँगी, but that's it. This is us, Saloni, Karan and Kevin. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and bye bye. Thank you.